Hello y'all, thanks for stopping by. Today's video will be a taco inspired tater tot casserole. Okay, the ingredients I'm using would be ground beef, the picante sauce, or you can use salsa. This tastes better to me. Taco seasoning, you can use mild or hot, your choice there. Okay. Cream cheese, can of corn, queso cheese sauce, or you can use the Velveeta cheese sauce. Velveeta, however you pronounce it. Seasoning salt, minced onions because I don't feel like cutting up an onion today, and your tater tots. Okay, we're gonna put our ground beef in a pan and we're gonna brown this up. And I only used a pack and a half. You can use the whole pack if you choose to, but I think this is gonna be enough for what we're using it for. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some seasoning, just a little, because keep in mind we're using the taco seasoning and that could be a little salty, but we're not adding that right now. Okay, I'm gonna ground this up and I'll be back with the next step. Okay, after your meat has browned, you're gonna add like 4 ounces of the cream cheese. Gonna add you. I'm using a half a jar of this. What's left of it? I know I showed y'all a whole jar, but I gotta use up what was open first. Okay. Put that in there. We're gonna put our queso in there. After I get a spoon for it. Okay. You can add as much or as little of this as you like, or you don't have to put it in at all. Totally up to you. I only use a half a jar of that. I'm gonna add my can of corn, and I drained the juice off of it. My taco seasoning. I'm gonna use the whole pack. And some minced onions. Now you don't have to add the onions if you don't like, but I like onions. Just didn't feel like cutting one up today. Okay, and then you're gonna mix all this together. And what you want is for the cream cheese to melt down into this. And I'll be back with the next step. Okay, now you want to take your meat mixture and you want to place it in the bottom of the pan, whatever baking dish you're using, and you want to spread it out evenly. Okay. And also preheat your oven to 400 degrees, please. I mean, you don't have to. You can go put it in a cold oven where it's going to take longer for it to get done. So, preheat your oven, y'all. Okay. I forgot to also mention you're going to need some shredded cheese on top. And I'm using the 4 cheese Mexican. You can use just the regular cheddar cheese if you choose to. Or you can just not put the cheese on top. It's up to you. Okay. Next we're going to take the tater tots. And we're going to place them on top. Try to get them in, neat row. Like this. Okay, I'll be back after I finish placing the tater tots. Okay, this is about a bag and a half of tater tots for this pan size. If you don't have a pan this size, you don't need as much. Okay, then we're going to just put the cheese on top. the floor like I just did. Okay. And we're going to bake this in our 400-degree oven for at least 25 to 30 minutes until the tops are brown and your cheese is melted. I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what we got after 25 minutes. Doesn't it look delicious? Okay, let's see. Let's plate some up. Look at that, y'all. That looks so yummy. And it is yummy. Okay. Thanks for stopping by. Please check out my previous video.